Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna be doing my keyboard review. As you can see, the box is up there, right there. And yeah, so I'm gonna get that down, read what it says, stuff like that. But first, I need to show you the keyboard. Dun, dun, dun. So yeah, it does light up, and it does one color for 5 seconds, and then it changes to another color. The color fades away, and then it doesn't just change this. It changes like that, not like it goes. And yeah, I really like it. It's really cool. So yeah, let me get the box that's right there. So I got this 2 days ago. No, I got it yesterday from my dad's boss's wife. Yeah. So, shout out to this because I really like it. It is a Razer Huntsman Mini. Really cool, really cool. So some of y'all have, I've watched other keyboard videos, and you're rating the sound. How does that sound? I mean, I used to do that after I watched those videos, but I mean, why don't you do that? Get the actual keyboard. And so this is what mine sounds like. But I'm usually like this. Yes, and you have to plug. You can do. Whoa, wait, what? So, as y'all can see, you have these things to make it stand up. That's the highest it can go. And it has another one with just these. But if you want it higher, you can just go. So you might not be able to. Thing is right there. And then you can just go, ba-doop, and then just go, ba-doop, and there you go. Or you can just go, what did it go? What am I doing? I've had dinner to go. Yeah, so I really like it. Yeah, I've played Shell Shockers with it. Yeah, so that's my keyboard. I'm gonna give you a look at it. Just to clarify, this is a gaming keyboard, but you can use it for work and stuff. It doesn't have to be gaming. Yeah, like and subscribe, and have a Merry Christmas because today is Christmas Eve. Tomorrow, have a good Christmas.